Hey guys, so for today's video, samahan nyo ako as we visit Raptor as they open their new store dito sa Festival Mall. This is in the upper ground floor of the East Wing, yung bagong area nila dito. So, mga palatandaan natin is katabi nila yung Rookie USA and yung Vision Express. Ayan. So, ngayon, opening, wala pa si Father yata, pero nagsushoot na tayo dito ngayon for the content, sabi nga nila. So, opening today, Raptor, free laser engraving for every purchase of any Raptor drinkware. Ayan. Siyempre, ang aking paborito dahil ako ay toy collector, ang kanilang Raptor na storage case. So, buy 2, get 1. Ayan, ayan. Kaya vlogger ka? So, ito na yung mga drinkware. Very nice. Tapos yung mga the standards, Raptor toolbox, transport. Ito yung mga Raptor na. Actually, maganda yung brand ng Raptor when it comes to. Okay. So, more on the stuff na available sa Raptor here sa Festival Mall. Ano to? Raptor case, ammo. Siyempre yung mga toolbox ayan. Okay, di pa tayo sa kabilang side just to check on the other Raptor products na available. So, ayan, mini cooler. At saka uso ngayon yung mga nagpipiknik sa ano. So, meron tayong Raptor na yan, cooler and case. Ayan. So, syempre, ayan. Ayan, ayan. Vlogger
na naman. Iba na naman yung telepono mo.
Ikaw na naman.
Palit-palit
Parang
talaga.
Friday, kasama tayo. Ikaw na naman.
Southeast Rules. You're here sa festivals, festival mo.
Teritoryo ko to.
Masaya ba?
Okay, so let's take a look at the other side. Ayan, ganda rin yung setup niya. Very on point and on brand kay Altitude, kay Raptor. Very cool.
So thank you everyone for coming. This is our second Raptor store. We would like to thank them all first. Event TV who gave us the space. And then of course thank the media for coming. Always loyal to our openings. And everyone else. Of course, the team has made a big effort to open this kiosk on time. All our departments. And then good luck to the retail team who will be managing the store. Hopefully sales will come. So again, thank you everyone. Raptor is our homegrown brand. Some products are manufactured in the Philippines, some products are abroad. But we are proud because we started this brand 6 years ago and we've been online for many years, but now we are expanding in the malls. So thank you and thank you again for your support.
Pick up first, open your scissors, put the fingers, hold over Joshua. Now let's do the actual ribbon cutting. 1, 2, 3, cut!
Cover ko yung sarili ko, teka. Ayan.
Ay, Ron, salamat ha. Bait mo talaga.
Sige. Lagyan mo na ng Red Horse.
Lagyan na Red Horse.
Lalagyan na ng puso. Yan ang task puso. Medical
Puso nino.
Yun, stackable pala yun.
Ganda.
Pero yun po, ano na po, mga 7 kilos na po. Okay naman yan. Dati ano, dalawang camera, 20. Mas maganda yung ginagawa nila. Magkano yung ganito? Ito sir, 9,000. 4,000. Pero sayang hindi na pwede. Hindi na makikita sa inyo nakasal na. Ganito na rin. Pag himali, kasi kayo na
Okay, so ito yung Fusion with new colors, Twist and Thunder. So Fusion are the mga baso. And yung mga baso, and then yung Twist is ito. And yung Tundra is yung thermos. Anyway. Wala. One. Okay, so that's the episode for today. Please visit Raptor. Yung Raptor na store na to is nasa Festival Mall, particularly nasa upper ground, sa East Wing. So malapit na siya sa New Balance and sa H&M. Ayun. So kung familiar kayo sa festival, dito lang yan. And syempre, visit kayo, huwag niyong kalimutan na check out yung mga products sila. I particularly like the backpacks. Gusto ko yun, pero medyo so sana naman Raptor. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.